Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today. Today we are doing electrical in the basement.
Yeah.
As you can see, it looks a little bit different. We have our good old friend Justin on the snips and doing some strips. So it's all good.
Snipping and stripping all day long.
Oh yeah, look at this beautiful line work he's got going on. We can see that he's been busy. Like the last time I showed you guys, we just finished framing, and this is what he's done while I was at work. Like, he's just a machine. So we got a sub panel here. This is our wire feed from the main panel, which is gonna go into here. And then he's got all his other stuff for the dryer, for the stove, for our counter plugs, because these are 20 amp lines, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's why they're... See, I know some electrical,
Oh,
but
you're
he's
doing good, man. 20 amp T-slot receptacles, you got your range, you got your dryer, dedicated circuit for your master bedroom plugs, dedicated circuit for your plugs over here, dedicated circuit for your lights, dedicated circuit for your fridge, and what else? Washer.
Wow.
Gotta keep a couple more to do.
Couple more, but other than that, take a look at this. So all we did is we cut off all the bottom row of drywall, so that way we can make it easier. He went through and got out some insulation, did some cutting, and that way we could put in the receptacles. When I was looking for places, the first thing I would check to see if the electrical was right was to make sure there was a plug on each side of the bed for your bed stands, because there's nothing I hate more than having to run power from one side of the bed stand to the other, because it looks like garbage. So then we have this, which is going to take care of our lighting for the bathroom. Then we'll have our bathroom fan. Some people like to just wire the bathroom fan into the furnace nowadays, so that way it's constantly running. I'm not a big fan of it. I know it keeps moisture and other things out, but if you do that, I find that it can actually interrupt your sleep. It's like sleeping with a wind turbine going on all the time. I pick up on things like that, and I'm a light sleeper, so if a bearing started to go or anything, I'm not going to sleep whatsoever. So that's done. You can see we've got our stove here, our fridge. We've got our two plugs right here for just whatever, like a toaster, everything like that. We're gonna put another plug up here for our over the range microwave oven, so that way it's balling. And then we've got another one here. We've got our sink going in right here, which you guys already know about. And then, yeah, dryer, stove. Or it's dryer and washer, not the stove. Let's keep them separate. So he's just killing it. We're gonna have all our drivers in here. We're gonna have LED puck lights all the way everywhere up here, 3 and 3, which is awesome. Is like I said, since the closet is so conveniently placed that we can access everything, we can put all our drivers in the closet, so that way it kind of keeps them out of people's way, makes them less visible, things like that. Also, if you know from the framing, we're gonna be doing a LED light strip all the way around here. And as you can see, he's already got the power hanging out there for that. So we're doing pretty good that way. And again, that's gonna go into the room. We'll have the driver in the room, and then it'll all be locked away. Keep it nice and simple, because Justin's the man. You the man. What's up? Oh yeah. Give this man all my business. Look at this. I'm even wearing a shirt. I'm not even sponsored.
It's not even sponsored.
Hold
on, I got one too.
Wait for it.
Look at we might be matching.
What?
Oh!
What?
Oh! Look at this!
Look at this. Blues Brothers.
That's right.
Not copyright. So, yeah, no, we're doing good.
Yeah,
we're gonna continue on.
It's looking really good. Do you see that? You see that wire in there?
Look at that. I showed them this. This looks... Yeah, look how sick this is. He's even got it marked on the wall for people like me, so I know what's going on. But yeah, beautifully.
That's the way it's supposed to look. If your switches at home do not look like this, and the stapling does not look like this, and the wires do not look like this, you did not get a quality job.
Which is not good. We don't want that.
Yeah.
We want it to look clean. I mean,
and neat, and it's got to make sense.
Exactly. I'm super excited. This is the cool thing about when you work in the trades, because a lot of people know that I work in the trades, is by doing so I get to meet people like Justin. You guys met Mitch, who did the framing. You guys met Pat, who I went to high school with. He did the roofing. Actually, didn't meet him. We didn't film him at all. That's why I'm not giving you his last name. And then we also have Tariq, which is actually trained red sealed auto body man, or not auto body, sorry, mechanic. And I've probably a couple more people which you're gonna see, which I've worked with on other job sites. So it's really cool when you know all these different people from different trades. But that being said, we'll show you more as we go.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
we one breaker away from excellence?
Yeah, we are one breaker away from not having to worry about this stupid freaking breaker again, eh?
Yeah.
There's only 2 left to just can. I got the second of the 2.
Look at that magic.
Yeah, buddy.
Look at him killing it. Here we go.
Going to jam that pecker head in there.
Nice.
And
Woody woodpecker head.
gobbledygook out of the way.
Yes, because who needs those breakers?
Nobody.
Because,
We're gonna do this,
whoa,
and then we're gonna do this.
strippers in action.
I'm excited to get that panel juiced.
Me too. They haven't even seen much of the panel. I guess I did show you wiring it up though, so it'll look really cool.
Well, the bins have some leg there.
Yeah.
Okay, we get the no-locks on it.
Oh, nice.
Lots of guys don't do that. They don't think it's necessary, and then everything goes to shit. Because these things will oxidize, and then you'll get cold flow, and then you'll get a fire.
That's not good.
Nope.
Is that the same stuff you use for aluminum?
This is aluminum, yeah.
Oh.
It's that anti-oxidizing compound. You have to use it every time you terminate aluminum,
Yeah.
because when you, when you tighten up a lug, you kind of cause abrasion to happen on the surface.
Oh, yeah.
And then the aluminum reacts with the oxygen in the air, and it will rust if it's not treated properly.
Yes, I had aluminum in my first condo, and then I used all those Penetrox purple.
Yeah, those purple rats.
Yeah. Because I was
They
like,
have- they
that's
have the
the last
compound
thing.
inside them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And people are like, they're such a waste of money, but you know what?
That's, you know, I would just buy a bottle of that, and I would use aluminum barrettes. There's actually barrettes that are rated for it.
Oh, really?
They're more expensive. But there's actually lots of people who do those renos
Yeah.
in their houses, and they don't use that stuff. My buddy, he had copper wiring, and then the guy before him, he had made all the copper splices and stuff, but he didn't use any of the compound.
No.
And then he gave me a call one night. He's like, Justin, I think something's on fire in my house. Can you come here and have a look? And sure enough, one of his plugs was actually literally on fire when I showed up.
That's no
And
good.
it was because somebody didn't terminate correctly.
Well, what I'd seen is at a client's house, outlet, we'll say, per se, and what had happened is,
Okay, buddy, you ready?
yep, let's do it.
Oh, that's
Oh,
a
and
good
it
sign.
didn't turn back over. Whoa. That was nice. Let's go see our temporary lighting. Let's follow the Justin.
Let's, get some light mode on here. Okay, on. Turn the panel on.
And wait. Here we go. Let there be light. Whoa, there's our temporary lighting.
There we go.
Perfect. It's gonna be dark in here.
We can add some
Yeah,
more of these if you
totally.
want it.
I mean, this should be good for now because majorly a lot of this is gonna get done during the day.
Yeah.
If we're gonna do any, it would be in the bathroom, just so the
Yeah,
plumbers.
I did totally about it.
Oh, you did.
Yeah.
It's probably just not flick.
Turn the switch on.
Yes, flick the switch.
There you go.
Perfect. Because now we can put some insulation back in after the plumbers come in on Friday.
Now you're,
Look at this work though. Look at Justin's stuff here.
look at that. All good, buddy.
He's got all
Now
the kinky stuff going on in the wall.
we're laughing, we're happy.
This is what happiness feels like.
Have some power down here now.
Check this switch out. This is the beauty. This is the one that got me. Look at how many lines go into it.
What else did I do for you? I also gave you this 30 amp breaker for that guy.
Oh,
So if
perfect.
you need one of those electric heaters for running and taping, you can right into that and then flick this breaker on,
Perfect.
and then it will give you 30 amps there.
Dryer for the win.
You
Perfect.
also have temp power here.
Oh,
Also at
nice.
your fridge.
Awesome.
Plug into that.
So we've got some tools
Yeah.
and stuff that need power. Then we got that. Wow.
Yeah.
We've come so far. So all that's
Hot tub.
gonna happen now is, yeah, we gotta throw our hot tub feet in.
You want to put it there?
Perfect. Let's go outside for a second.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's go from there. But for the basement reno, the hot tub's a whole nother special thing. We'll show you that later.
Yeah.
But for now, Justin has finished the basement up to this point. You'll see him
Pretty
during
much.
the finishing.
That's
Thank
right.
you, Justin.
Yeah. Absolutely.
See, he's the man.
Yep.
If you're in the lower mainland, literally, it's more than just a shout out. This guy does good work and he's quick. Give him a call, Solstice Electric.
Yeah, that's right.